Does replacing the filter improve airflow? Yes, replacing a dirty or clogged air filter almost always improves airflow, because a clean filter lets air move freely through your heating and cooling system instead of getting choked off by dust and debris. Think of your air filter like a straw you're breathing through. When that straw is clean and open, air flows through easily, but when it gets clogged with dust, pet hair, and tiny particles, it becomes like trying to breathe through a straw that's half filled with cotton. Your system's blower motor has to work much harder to pull air through that clogged filter, which reduces the amount of air actually reaching your rooms. Here's something most people don't know. A dirty filter doesn't just reduce airflow, it can actually cause your evaporator coil to freeze up, because reduced airflow means less warm air moving across the coil to keep it from getting too cold. This can lead to a much bigger repair bill than the cost of a simple filter, which often runs between $15 and $30 depending on the size and type. As a general rule, you should check your filter every 30 days and replace it every 1 to 3 months depending on your household, especially if you have pets or allergies. One common mistake people make is buying the thickest, highest rated filter thinking it will clean the air better, but a filter that's too restrictive for your system can actually choke airflow even worse than a dirty one, so always check your system's manual for the recommended filter rating. Another misconception is thinking a clean-looking filter means it's still working fine, when in reality, filters can be clogged with microscopic particles you can't see with the naked eye, so it's better to replace on a schedule rather than relying on a visual check alone. A third thing to watch for is installing the filter backwards, since most filters have an arrow showing airflow direction, and installing it wrong can reduce efficiency even with a brand new filter. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.